This, behold, if you are getting married and want to have super duper elaborate face mask that has already built-in filter in, this is it. I think as far as small accessories go, this is the most elaborate face mask or type of accessory I made. Custom, but I plan to evolve that in limited edition masks, so people can buy and use it for their weddings. So it's obviously hand-beaded embroidery, and then there is a lace, a layer, another lace layer, and there is a filter fabric. You can see the filter fabric is actually this, the nude color, and then a light layer of cotton inside, so it would be soft to breathe, easy to breathe. Okay, let me know. Can you see this bling on the sun? Isn't that pretty? I added some little crowns. Little bit of shadow.